Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by importing both your main clip and a skull emoji asset so you can treat the emoji like a movable overlay. Once done, set the project aspect ratio and trim the clip so your emoji timing feels intentional. This saves re-editing later. Make sure to add the emoji as an overlay or a sticker layer rather than baking it into the footage. Doing this gives you independent control of scale, position, and motion, which is essential for smooth animation and precise timing. Now you refine how the skull emoji moves and feels. You'll add keyframes to the overlay for position, scale, and rotation. Place the first keyframe where the motion begins and the next where it ends. Once keyframes are set, apply easing so movement accelerates or decelerates naturally. This prevents robotic jumps. Also, match the emoji to the scene by tweaking opacity, blend mode, and a subtle shadow or color grade so it looks like part of the footage rather than pasted on top. Finish by reviewing the full section and exporting a short test clip to verify motion, alignment, and sync with audio. If the emoji jitters, smooth or consolidate keyframes and reapply easing. Small position tweaks often fix visible stutter. When the skull pixelates, swap to a higher resolution PNG or scale the asset down instead of up and re-export. If nothing works, restart Capcut to clear cache. That often resolves odd playback or rendering glitches and gets your final export clean.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.